Hey there, speculators. My name is Rob, the Futures Fanatic. Welcome back to the channel here on YouTube. Futures Fanatic is part of TDG. That's the Traders Together group where I provide education for active futures traders and self-directed investors. Just a quick reminder that everything I talk about here on the channel is for educational purposes only, and you can pause the video right here to read more about these risk disclosures and disclaimers. Okay, welcome to 2022 and my first video of the year. I only waited 15 days to get to it. But I think it will be well worth the wait because as you see from the thumbnail in this video, what I'm going to do is provide my entire 30 video training course on futures. And all you got to do is subscribe to the channel and check the link below. That's it. So you can stop the video right now, and but I'll tell you exactly how to do it. So real quick, I get a lot of comments like this, which is, hey, I'm a complete newbie. I like a lot of what you're talking about, but can tell me where to start. And I gotcha. I got a course for that. I've sold it for almost 3 years for about $200 to $250. Hundreds of people have gladly paid that for it, but now it is going to be yours gratis. So again, all you got to do is subscribe to the channel if you're not already, hit the like button, turn on the bell notifications, all that good stuff, and then check the description below. But let me just show it to you really quickly. You're going to be taken to this page right here. Again, asking you to subscribe at the top of the page if you could do that if you're not already a subscriber. But real quickly, this is not some crappy ebook, okay? This is that's what I looked like two and a half years ago when I did the course, and this is the last video in a 30 module video. So we have everything from what are stock index futures, which is predominantly what we trade. The futures markets involve gold and commodities and interest rates and all kinds of stuff, but we focus just on keeping it really simple. The S&P 500, the Dow Jones, stuff you've heard of. We explain how the products work, talk a little bit about margins, broker requirements, commissions, and then we get into some strategies, some actual strategies that you can learn here. So that's the entire course. There's also some resources right here, which is a Futures Fanatic cheat sheet. Excuse me, the cheat sheet sort of gets you started, and we have a bunch of super useful links here. So it's all in a portal. You get instant access to it, and you're good to go. So that'll be about it for this video. That's all I wanted to mention. Again, you can check the description below, or I'll pin a link. It's easy to get to, and it'll also then redirect you to the opportunity if you'd like to look at some of the prop futures programs. If you don't have capital to trade and you want to be able to use somebody else's capital, or at least trade in a risk-free demo environment to start, that'll be an opportunity. No obligation to do anything there. And some of you may want to join me in my live trade room Monday through Friday. That's a couple hours in the morning. And then ultimately people that are in that room for a while choose to become members of our community. But it all starts with this completely free training. You can grab it right now today. Okay, I hope you have a fantastic start to your year already. Let's make this the year that you learn about the futures markets, the best products and instruments for active day trading. It's not crypto, it's not stocks, there's nothing wrong with those things. It is the futures markets. Trust me, I've been doing this for 30 years, and now with micro index futures and with guys like me that are providing this type of content for free, this is informational, not necessarily transformational, but it's super good stuff. It's all packaged in a way that you can consume, maybe binge watch it like you would on Netflix. All right, that'll be it for tonight. We'll see you at the next video. Stay green, trade like you mean it. Thanks.